with the cut, if the House version is not adopted, that would reduce the number of beneficiaries by 1.1 million. I appeal to our colleagues in the Senate to please consider adopting the House version of MAIFIP, which is at 49.2 49,203. But if you add the Senate, if you add the requirements of the Senate, that would come to around 51 billion pesos. I move to adopt as the final amount for MAIFIP 51,648,816,000.
Any motion?
Second.
Duly seconded. The budget is the motion of the chairperson Swansing is hereby adopted.
Thank you very much to our
Maraming
colleagues in the
salamat,
Senate. Maraming
Mr. Chair.
salamat po.
Mr. Chair.
In a perfect world, as we were discussing earlier, dapat pagpasok ng mahirap sa isang pampublikong ospital, makikater na ang kanyang pangangailangan. Dapat ganun. Hindi kailangan yung kilala yung mayor, congressman, senador. Sana ganun. Until such time that the UHC law is really completely, properly implemented and PhilHealth is able to handle all of this, I believe that we must provide for the poorest of the poor in the most far-flung islands and the highest uplands and in many GIDA areas.
Hindi naman po kasi itong MAIFIP, hindi po kagaya ito ng AIX at saka TUPAD na binibigay mo cash, di ba? This is like just a referral letter na binibigay ng sa tao na bibit-bitin doon sa ospital or yung ospital already informed kasi may mga politicians na sabihin, pumunta ka na lang sa ospital doon. Tsaka doon na nababayaran. Wala siyang nahawakan na cash like AIX, I like TUPAD, yung kinakatakot natin. So that's a fact. So hindi talaga mahawakan ng politiko yun. None. Because hindi naman cash po ang MAIP eh. Baka akala po ng mga kababayan natin watching us, MAIP is not cash po. So it is a guarantee letter. It's the DOH that pays or that foot the bill of the individual person. So walang binibigay na cash ang politiko, Mr. Chair.